What's going on, guys? It's Matt with Chesapeake Truck Worx. I'm here to announce a winner for our $5,000 full build giveaway. Congratulations to Ryan Barner of Annapolis, Maryland. Your truck's gonna get pimped out. We're throwing a 7-inch ready lift up there with some 22x12s and 35s.
Matt, what is going on?
Shit's wild, man.
Really? I heard we're gonna let the people pick out the wheels. What's up?
So here's the deal. We're gonna give you 4 fuel wheels of 2021 to choose from. The Fuel Runner,
And the Fuel Triton,
the Fuel Vapor,
and the Fuel Saber.
Go ahead and drop your wheel choice in the comments below.
And give us a like on Facebook. Say hey, check in with us. We'll pimp your truck out.